Eigene Sprache ist Deutsch, jawohl. No, mental English, alright. You cannot change your language later. No, we can't. Next. This is a very good touchpad. Feels very nice. Country, Wake Island. How does this work anyway? Perhaps. Belgium. Time and currency. Okay, apparently another Vaio is born. Thank you, Sony. Continue. Thank you for interrupting the Windows boot thingy. IE9 customization. And this is also some stuff that we're going to skip. Who cares about McAfee? Interesting. Alright, so apparently a screen appears. Please help us improve Vaio products. Oh. Well, we'll improve the Vaio products with a review or an overview. Stop giving all this bullshit. It's taking so much time. Alright. Finally we're in Windows, or at least the desktop is loading. And there seems to be a lot of nonsense on the netbook, but that's always the case. And because of all this nonsense, the owner of the netbook, which is currently my cameraman, or who is currently my cameraman, sorry, that's the reason why he's going to install Linux or Linux, because that's better for netbooks, clearly. Alright, so what we have here is the battery health status, which is excellent, which is of course good when it's new. We want details. Let's have a look at details. Details look interesting. Something appeared. Aha! It just gives a bigger window. Oh, finally sound. That was weird. No, we don't want anything about knowing how we use this efficiently. Wireless functions. Yeah, we'll have a look at that later. Only we have something here now. I don't press it. Welcome to VaioGate. VaioGate. Learn how to use VaioGate. Click on the R to continue in VaioGate. This sounds interesting and very stupid. And unnecessary. Too many animations. I'm going to skip all this because it seems stupid. And I think I know what it is. Yes, sure. So this is probably something that just allows you to, it's probably just the same as pressing start and then all programs. A few things perhaps. What can we find here? This Microsoft Office 2010 apparently, so that's pre-installed, and you can activate it if you've already purchased it, but there doesn't seem to be trial or anything on the laptop. Alright, so we have internet, and then there were some programs apparently. Vaio Care, Vaio Control Center, which sounds interesting. Vaio Data Restore Tool, Easy Connect, etc., etc., etc. Probably all just for managing the entire netbook. Control Center sounds interesting though, so let's have a look at that quickly. Alright, so basically we get a control center here for the Vaio. So you can have power management, keyboard and mouse setup, network connection. So so you have, can change the touchpad and all that stuff. You can have a look at network connections, display, security, and special buttons. So that's like, buttons on your keyboard probably. And that's basically it. So you have some system information as well, and that's it. Next to that, let's have a quick look at how good the keyboard is. Alright, so let's type cc reviews EU is the website that this is a little you absolutely need to visit. Alright, let's find home. Where's home? There is no home. Here's home. Oh, Windows updates. We don't need them right now. Alright, so, and home, I guess. Alright, keep pressed, whatever. I'm not going to Brazil. Alright, the keyboard seems nice. You get a good response from the buttons. Yeah. Good. Alright, so right before we're going to start the Windows rating, thought we should have a look at the connectors. So on the side here, I haven't really checked myself, but well, checked it myself. But we have a audio and microphone connection. So these are the, I think, 3.5mm jacks from the USB 2 port. That I think this is the one port for if you have, you know, the safety code thing, whatever, it doesn't matter. You have SSD and Pro Duo. No, what I'm saying SD. It's SD, sorry, and Pro Duo says here. Card slot. You have an Internet slot, or Ethernet. On this side, you have the connection for the power. You have a VGA connection, an HDMI connection, a USB 2 port, and a USB 3 port apparently as well. It's very good to see. On the bottom we have the battery, of course, and here you can access the components inside. And then here on the front we have the power LED. I think this is the battery LED in case it's going empty, I'm not really sure. This is the HDD hard drive, sorry, LED, and the LED for your wireless connection. And if we open the laptop, and it's just in standby, as you can see. I'm going to close this quickly. Do not save, it doesn't really matter much. We have the power button. We have an assist button. I'm not really sure what it does. I want to press it. Can I press it? It will allow me to press it. What does it do? It's doing something, but I'm not really sure what. So this is actually a button directing to one of the programs for Vaio. I'm not really gonna go deeper into that. You have web. I'll press that. That's probably the internet. Alright, sounds very close. All tabs. So that's the internet, and then you have a button that says Vaio. Vaio sounds very interesting. Let's press Vaio. Vaio button initial setting. Oh, you can choose media gallery or play memories home, whatever that is. Play memories home makes managing, viewing, and editing photos and videos quick and easy. Alright. More information we don't need. And that's basically it, except for the fact that there's also a little webcam right here. And I'm not really sure, is there a microphone in this thing? Yeah, there is somewhere a microphone. I don't see it immediately where it might be. Maybe somewhere here. And there is sound, so we heard it. There was sound. So alright, those are the functions. Alright, so this is the performance that we got from Windows. From, yeah, whatever. It's 3.9, and that's because of the processor apparently. Gives a 3.9 score to the processor, which is the AMD processor at 1.7, I thought was 1.7 gigahertz. So that's probably the reason also. But for a netbook, that's no problem because actually that's mostly good enough for that. But you get a very good score for memory. It gives a 5.9 for that. Also quite good for graphics, 4.5, not bad at all. Gaming graphics, 5.9. So actually, should be able to game on this laptop. Perhaps we should try Battlefield 3. yeah, a game like that. And the primary hard disk also gets 5.9, so really not bad overall, just the 3.9 from the processor that keeps it all down. And that's it. So I hope you guys had enough information from this entire unboxing overview experimental video that we made. If you want more information, just ask, and maybe we might make another part for this video, but we're now going to probably put Linux on this, and or just change the entire thing, because this setup sucks. Alright, that was it. See you guys in the next video.